Okay, MCL. How do you find it? Palpate the joint line. Oops, the two holes here is the joint line. And then you visualize the midline between anterior and posterior. And the ligament is going to be just behind the midline. Voila, I'm on the ligament. We have to palpate the location at the joint line. We have to go a little bit further, the tibial part and the femoral part. And there where it hurts the most, you do your friction. So if it's an acute patient, you know she has limitation of movement, she has a capsular pattern, so we're going to position her like this. Okay, we look for the ligament, and the friction is piece of cake. Set in a few fingers, reinforce, reserve of skin, pressure. This is really the easiest friction massage that exists. So you do that for some minutes in the acute phase. Then you take away the cushion, but okay, you support the patient's knee, and then you ask the patient just to do active extension. Just active extension as far as she can, but there's still limitation, of course. Let her move for a few minutes. Okay, then we go back to this position. We look for the ligament again, and then we go to as much flexion as possible. Now you remember that the direction of the ligament changed a little bit, so the direction of my friction is going to be something like this. Take the knee close to you. When you friction with one hand, okay, that's possible, but if you have a patient with a, let's say, a bigger knee, then it's easier to friction with two hands. Voila. And remember, it's not finger work, it's arm work. Okay? When you finish doing this, then, okay, ask her to move a little bit towards flexion for some minutes. This is the basic treatment day one. Okay? A lateral collateral. The trick to find it, go to that position, go to the joint line, and in the joint line you palpate in a posterior direction until you find a super cable. Up, go to extension, put your fingers on it. As simple as that. Manipulation, chronic stage. Flexion manipulation. Extension. Lateral rotation. Keep the knee close to you. Build in some dorsiflexion. Use the medial border of the foot as a lever, and then go to lateral rotation. Most of us at the beginning, we do something different. Most of us, we do this. No, go to rotation. Okay? And if necessary, medial rotation. Just take the heel, dorsiflexion, up, And then to conclude, coronary ligament, medial coronary, whoops, palpate on the tibial plateau to find the more tender spot, and when you found it, low fulcrum with your thumb, fingernail always points to the ceiling, reinforce, don't forget the cotton wool, reserve of skin, pressure. Voila. And keep in mind, when you end up with a position like this, then you friction the condyle, which is also nice, but not efficient. Yeah? Okay? And if you want to go to the lateral one, then you stand on the other side, up, and you do exactly the same. Okay, so it's all yours. Let's do it.